You've probably seen these videos taking over your feed right now. A slimy face getting squeezed by two hands, and somehow you just can't look away. They're funny, they're satisfying, and people are watching them on repeat. This type of ASMR content is going genuinely viral, and the best part is you can create it yourself in just a few minutes using free AI tools. Let me show you exactly how. To make this whole process easier, I put together something called the Xcentra Master Prompt. It does all the hard work for you so you don't have to figure anything out from scratch. If you want it, just drop Xcentra Master Prompt in the comments and I'll send it to you directly. Now, let's get into it. Start by copying the Xcentra Master Prompt and pasting it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, the AI is going to walk you through a few simple choices. First, it asks you to pick an expression. Just choose whichever number feels right to you. For this one, I went with number 5 and hit enter. Then it asks for an identity definition. Again, just pick any option you like. I chose number 1. Finally, it gives you the option to customize the features further. This part's optional, but if you want more control over how the final result looks, go ahead and add your own instructions. I did this myself and it made a noticeable difference. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate two things, an image prompt and a video animation prompt, both built specifically to create a high-quality face ASMR video. Now, copy that image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up with your Google email. It takes about 20 seconds. Once you're inside, create a new project. Go to the Settings tab and select Create Image. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, make sure you select Nano Banana 2 for the best quality output, and set the number of outputs to 2 so you have options to pick from. Paste your image prompt and generate. Look through the results and pick the one that feels the most expressive and visually interesting. Once you've chosen your image, click the 3 dots and select Animate. In the animation settings, choose VO 3.1 Fast as your video model and keep the same aspect ratio and output settings you used before. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video animation prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your face ASMR video is ready. Preview it, download it, and if you want a different version, just go back and repeat the process. You can create endless variations without starting over from scratch. That's genuinely all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow AI Xcentra for more content like this. And don't forget to comment Xcentra Master Prompt below. I'll send it straight to your inbox. See you in the next one.